Go Jazz. It's Jazz. Go, go, girl. Go, 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 girl. Go, 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 girl. I'm back. Hey, it's What's Cooking Wednesday. I know y'all like Jazz. You wore that same outfit on Monday. I know, right? We're quarantined. You can wear the same clothes every day. No, but this video I'm gonna mostly do a voiceover. So as you can see in the title, my mother actually made this food. She made chicken Alfredo. It's not from scratch, you know. We got Alfredo sauce already made in a jar. Maybe in the near future we'll make that, but for this episode it's from the jar. But it's okay, because now you can't really make chicken from scratch, but we season our own chicken. So I'm gonna tell you what we put on the chicken on the voiceover in this next clip. I just wanted to introduce y'all to the video of the food, the good delicious chicken Alfredo. So check it out. Let me know in the comments how you feeling. Does it look delicious? Would you eat it if I served it to you? Maybe not now because of Rona, but let me know. Check it out. All right. Okay, so now I'm boiling water for the noodles. We're gonna add some salt into it too. I don't know why. The egg, my mother puts this in the chicken. Why? I do not know. She says something about the texture or something. We're gonna add some little butter into the pan. Look at that. Okay. See, she mixed the egg. I don't know, but it tastes good. I'll tell you that it did taste good. Now I know I told y'all I was gonna put the seasoning, but I don't know what she's put in there. I do not at all. Don't know, but it looks good though, right? Yes indeed. Oh, it's all done. Oh, look at that. Now we're about to pour the Alfredo sauce into the pan. Let it heat up. Yes, and then we're gonna add the noodles to it soon, right? Now, oh no, oh, there we go, there's the noodles. And then after the noodles, of course, we're going to add the chicken. So then that's the chicken Alfredo, you know. See, she adding the chicken. Looks good, don't it? It tastes good too, even with the egg. Now I thought she was gonna have egg pieces come out of the chicken, but we didn't, so it was a success. Alrighty.